All right, so here we are, 2008 Acura TSX 6-speed manual. It's got a 2.4 liter dual overhead cam, VTEC engine, high compression ratio. I've had this car for a little while now, but for the year, you really can't complain. I mean, as you can see, the paint and everything is in immaculate shape. And for a 12-year-old car, the interior is very similar. Pretty much no blemishes on this car at all. It's got the 18-inch alloy wheels. It has double wishbone suspension in the front and a multi-link suspension in the rear. Not many cars they make that way anymore. Let's take a look here under the hood. Runs like any other Honda does, you know. It's very quiet, very smooth. I did install an aftermarket cold air intake, and I find that definitely helps with the fuel economy for sure. As you can see, the interior is also in very good condition.